Hello, today we will be solving food store SQL injection challenge. In this we have to exploit SQL injection vulnerability which is present in sign up activity of the application, and we have to register a user with a pro functionality. Let's do that. I have downloaded the application. Here is the application. Let's register one user with some username. Sorry. User has registered successfully. Now check we will check what's inside the application. So here are the things we can order. This application did food store application, that's why they have given some food items that we can order. Let's check code of the application. Let's see this login activity. Inside the login activity, we can see if a user gets logged in, it checks credit. So from here we can see that if a user is a pro, it will have a 10,000 as a its credit amount, and if a user is a normal user, he will have a credit amount as 100. So let's see how that how it works for our user. We have registered it as a normal user, and now if we order more than 100 credits, it will not allow. So here it has given a price of the item also. So we will order this rice. We ordered worth 40. Then again we will order another rice. It will allow, as it will be below 100. That's why it will allow. But now when we order it third time, it will not allow, as it will go beyond 100. So it is not allowing us to order. So we have to bypass this. We have to make our user a pro user by using vulnerability in a sign up activity. So let's see sign up activity. Here it is taking information from the user from the text view, and it, it is creating a user object, and it is passing to developer class, and this is the function it is passing add user. So let's see this function. This is the add user function. It is getting all the information from the object, and it is directly passing to this query. So this is a query where vulnerability exists. Here it is directly concatenating string user has entered, so it is not checking or sanitizing anything here. So let's bypass this. Let's exploit this vulnerability. For that we will be using a payload. We will be using this payload. Here when we enter this, A will be our user, this is the password, this is the address, and we are making it a pro user. And this is therefore after this all the things will get commented. So this is used comment in a SQL query. So let's exploit this. So we can enter anything as after this doesn't matter because all of the things will get commented. We'll sign up. User has registered successfully. Let's see this in the DB. There is a folder database inside the app folder structure, and here is the DB user database.db. Let's see data from this DB. There are two tables. Let's see data from users table. Okay, as we can see, this is the first user we have registered, which is a normal user. It has normal user ability, and this is the second user we have registered via exploiting the vulnerability in a sign up functionality, and this is a pro user. Okay, now let's check if our user has more than 100 credits or not. Let's log in. Okay. Let's try to order rice again with this has a 40 price. So first time it allowed, second time it has allowed, third time it has also allowed, and we can order it many times as we have 10,000 credits now. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching.